Hello viewers, thank you so much for joining us today. We have another special time here and we have some few problems to solve today once again. However, I want to entreat all those who are joining us for the first time to kindly subscribe to the channel so that anytime videos are uploaded, you are actually going to get access to those videos. Thank you so much for joining us. Alright, we shall solve a problem that is giving us 6x minus y all over x plus 2y equals to 2. So we've got to find x over y. Okay, this is the problem. Given that 6x minus y all over x plus 2y equals to 2. We're asked to find x on y. So how do we solve this problem? Now we can solve this problem basically by, solution. Alright. So let's do this quickly. So we have 6x minus y all over x plus 2y, okay, is equals to 2. So obviously this one is equals to 1. Okay, so we've got to cross multiply. So we're going to have 6x minus y, okay, is equals to 2 by that. So we have x plus 2y. Okay, so we have 6x minus y is equals to 2 times x. We've got to open the bracket by multiplying the 2 throughout. So we have 2x plus 4y. Okay, so let's collect like terms. Alright, so we have 6x minus 2y is equals to 4y, okay, plus y, because this y is negative here. Once it's equal sign, it becomes positive for that matter. So here is going to give us 4x is equals to 5y. Remember, we are being asked to find x on y. X on y. So we have to find out what do we need to do here in order to find x over y, or to rewrite this to look like that of what they're asking us to find, that is x on y. So what we need to do here is that we have to divide both sides by y, y. So this will cancel that. Then we have our 4x on y is equals to 5. Okay, so in this case, we are going to now expand this. So we have 4x on y equals to 5. I think I can just do that here. So 4x on y is equals to 5. Okay, so and in this case, remember we want to find x on y. So x on y need to be standing alone, i.e. is equals to something. That is what we are going to find. That is equivalent to x on y. So we've got to divide both sides here by 4. Okay, so this will cancel that. Then we now have x on y is equals to 5 on 4. So the value of x on y is equals to 5 on 4. I think the space here was not enough. Like, just go straight and divide both sides by 4. Okay. Then we have our x over y is equals to 5 on 4. So the value of x on y is equals to 5 on 4. So this becomes the end of this problem, or this becomes the solution to this problem, and can be solved as easy as this. Thank you so much for watching. God richly bless you. Bye-bye.